My name is Amulen Mary Grace. I come from Kumi district, Kanapa sub-county, Kacharode parish, Kacharode village. Before I joined Gudie Leisure Farm, I've been running my small restaurant back at home there, whereby I had a family member as one person who could help me. Yeah, that is probably, and also I used to help the parents in doing the domestic work like the farming and the harvesting of crops. In this business of mine, that business that I've left back, I used to prepare mostly rice, chicken, the atap and the local sauces, the local dishes. I also used to prepare milk tea. I used to make chapat for them. Then I also used to make these pancakes for them. Some of the challenges that I faced, the most one was the capital. Yeah, that one I had very little capital that could not enable me to enlarge it like that. Then also, because I had that little capital, there was also a shortage of labor. There was too much work and I needed like some people to employ there. But because I had little capital, I had to bear to work with only the two of us. I heard about Gudie Leisure Farm from my local leaders and the parish chief, whereby they came searching for the 6 major girls that they wanted. Yeah, and also I was one of those 6 girls who was appointed, especially by my local leader. They followed me up to my working place and they asked me, they took me through those rules in that consent form, and I eventually agreed with them. I chose to come to Gudie Leisure Farm because when they told me the industry that I'm going to take, I got impressed and I knew that I'm going to come and get another skill to top up on what I have in my business there. And also, I knew I would get more knowledge on how to manage my business. I'm in the condiment industry, and in that industry, I've learned a lot of things and new skills to myself. I've learned so far how to make these spices. I've learned how to make the sauces like the tomato sauce, the chili sauce. Yeah, then I've also learned to come up or to make my business tools like that, like a gold ladder. As initially, I never had that in my mind as well. But from there, I learned how to come up with my goals in my business, to have my objectives in the business. And also, I've learned how to make juice and to process these spices for my food, the tea spices and the food spices. Yesterday we made the chili sauce and the tomato sauce, and we packaged it as well. If you want to come up with a tomato sauce, first of all you need to have tomatoes itself. Then you must have a preservative, and this machine that you're going to use, that is a mortar and a blender. So if you want to come up with a tomato sauce, probably you have to ensure that your tomatoes are clean. You cut them to a reasonable size, then you blend them. After you've done that, let's assume like you've set your fire, so you go and boil this tomato sauce that you've already blended. You boil it for some time. Meanwhile, you keep adding. You add there some little salt, about 5 grams. You add there sugar, something like 100 grams, like that, depending on the amount of tomato sauce that you want to come up with. Yeah, then after you've added that, meanwhile you're boiling it on fire, you make sure that you boil until all that water dries. Yeah, then you keep adding the vinegar. That one is also like a preservative for your tomato sauce not to go bad. Then also you're going to add another preservative to top up, but you can even deal with only vinegar, it can work. But for more preservation, you can keep on adding more. The other products that we made the turmeric. I also have oregano powder. It is there. I did it myself. I processed it. Here again at Gudie Leisure Farm, I learned many things. The first and the most interesting to me, I learned how to join the tables during the district show, where the MD told us to come up with at least 20 tables per district. Yeah, there I participated myself, and I can do the joining of tables. Yeah, then also I learned how to make beads, like this bead that I'm putting on. I just made it myself. Yeah, I also know how to make necklaces, and I also learned how to make the casimo flowers that you can use for decorating yourself. During the lessons that were normally conducted at the main hall, what I learned more about business is that my business needs to be compliant always to the local government. Then I also need to register it. Yeah, and also needed to have like how to handle human resource in my business. That's about the business turnover. You see how workers can come into your business, how they can leave your business, what makes them to do that. The well-being also, I can grade it as good when I can put it, because when I look at the side of meals, there I'm okay with it. Yeah, at least I do partake everything that they bring favorable, not maybe by force and maybe by on condition that there's nothing. No, I go by it and I enjoy it happily. When it comes to the side of sleeping, there I'm very comfortable. There's nothing wrong with the beddings. The issue of healthy care, that one is okay, because I remember one time when I felt sick. In fact, I had a toothache. When I went there, I was attended to, and it is stopped up tonight. It has not disturbed me again. So I appreciate the health services as well. My commitment when I go back home is that I will go and take up that business that I left behind with the person I left it with, and I'm going to implement the new skill that I've got from here to expand it now. And I'm going to ensure that with the time I'll have to register my business and ensure that it is complying with the government. The 100 women, I'll be training them as I'm running this business. Yeah, and when I go, the first thing I'll first invest in, especially the knowledge I got from Condiment. I'm going to add on sort of an expansion to my business. Then as I'm running it, I'll be training these 100 women. Much as I'll not be training them once, I'll be bringing them maybe in 10 groups or 20. The message that I have for Gudie Leisure Farm and the management is that I kindly appreciate the services that they have granted to me, and surely I have nothing for paying them back. Only that I pray that may it live longer to support the rest of the youth like me.